is the problem? Yes, my documents, they are all intact. Why will you be carrying your documents here and there? As you can see, I'm a graduate. Wow. I've been looking for a job with these documents here and there, all over the town. But there's no vacancy. In fact, I'm tired.
Do you know what? If you are not informed, you will be deformed. Okay? Now, Initiative for Poverty Elimination and Rural Community Upliftment. They are organizing youth empowerment program. The most interesting part is you don't need to spend a dime.
That is interesting.
But I like stealing.
No, it's a sin. Young man. When you are done with the training, they will also empower you. They will give you money to start your own business.
My friend, please, I'm very, very sorry. I'm sorry. Let's follow him.